You guys already know this video is going to be lit because it is I, E-Man. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the family. So today I have something that I've always been wanting, and yeah, just didn't make the executive decision to get it. One, because of money. You know, that's always a problem in this world. And yeah, but luckily enough today was my birthday, and I got it from someone very, very special. So yeah, that's why we have it here, and I'm very, very excited. Didn't see it coming at all, but you know what, I'm very excited. I've got my food here as well, breakfast, because I'm in a rush because today's my birthday and I'm going to go to Bristol Village, you know, do a bit of shopping and, you know, have a bit of fun. Do you know what I mean? You have to have fun when your birthday, innit? But yeah, I have the GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition. Wow. I'm probably going to do a vlog with this today. I'm not sure, just to, you know, give you guys a little bit of what do you call it? Like picture quality kind of thing. So I'll probably take this out with me in the car, vlog with it, and I'll bash it all up in this same video. So yeah, if you guys don't see that video, I'm sorry, but yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, let's have a little spec review on this. I mean, I've been a GoPro fan, but not like a hardcore GoPro fan. But you know, I don't really particular, you know, research about them or anything like that. But yeah, this has a 20 megapixel camera, which is always nice. Oh my god. This is what, when I say I don't know much about these, this is why. 5K 30 frames per second. I didn't even know it shoots 5K. So it shoots 5K 30 frames per second, which is that's just insane. And it shoots 4K 60 frames per second as well. And it's waterproof, obviously. It's waterproof up to 10 meters or 33 feet. And you can actually live stream with this GoPro 9, Hero 9, and your live stream will be only capped out at 1080p. So, I mean, 1080p is still good. Everyone is using 1080p now anyways, even on TV, everyone's still on 1080p. So yeah, so you're gonna be alright streaming with this anyways. Obviously you got an app as well to go with it, so you can either download the app on the App Store or Google Play. Like I said, 20 megapixels, 5K plus 60, 5K and 4K footage as well that you can film out of this bad boy. Obviously it's waterproof, voice control, so you can control it by your voice. It's got 8 times slow motion. It's got data overlay as well. And yeah, like I said, 1080p streaming. It's got super fast, super photo plus HDR. And oh wow, I didn't even know that you can actually shoot raw with this. Flat, so you can color grade it on Premiere Pro or whatever. It's got webcam mode and it's also touchscreen as well. So yeah, this is everything you get in the box. You get in the box right there. That's everything you get in the box, and that's a little bit of specs that I've just mentioned out to you guys as well. So it looks like you get the camera, the battery, a few fitting kits for a few mounts actually. They got I believe it's going to be a USB-C cable, and obviously you got the case as well. So yeah, let's unbox this thing. Obviously there was the Hero 10 came out, but obviously that's just crazy money, and yeah, it's pointless. It's gonna have like a little bit of better features on it than this, but I mean that's all it's gonna be anyways. But yeah, this is it. Comes in a nice little case, so you don't drop it or anything like that. You got a nice little GoPro logo right there, just at the bottom right. Let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, oh wow, this is nicely packaged, man. And here we've got like a little net thing over here, just to store the paperwork and that. So paperwork looks like a little guide on how to get the app, put it all together, switch it on, record, everything like that. It's right there. So got little instructions on how to use it, and I believe, yep, you got some stickers as well there as well, some GoPro stickers that you can put on your car or wherever you want to put it. And we have a few paperworks here that, like I said in the last video, we don't look at paperwork, because what's the point of looking at paperwork? Right, so like I guessed, yep, USB-C to normal USB. There, you can see that. So you got USB-C to normal USB over there, which is very nice. And then we have the battery. small little battery. I believe this is lithium battery as well. Let's have a look. Is it lithium? I have no idea, but it sure looks like, yep, it is a lithium battery. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's written there, lithium. So it's a lithium battery, and then you get a few mounting stuff like that, and then you got the little key thing to obviously lock it in place. So you got this one here as well. So you just put it in, screw it up, and boom, lock it in place. It's very nice, very nice. And then obviously we got the main attraction, which is the actual GoPro. Oh wow, whew, god damn, this is bigger than the rest. Oh, I can't even, there we go. Oh wow, this has got, oh wow, it's got a nice little heft to it, man. But now that looks proper. It feels heavy. Just imagine how heavier it would be with the battery in there. It feels proper well built, man. I like that. Feels proper well built. That's really nice. But yeah, man, that's the GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition. But yeah, I've noticed it's actually bigger than the rest of the GoPros that they've brought out. And yeah, but well, I think this one's the Black Edition anyway, so it's gonna be like heavy kind of thing. Now let's put this battery in, let's power on and see actually what. Alright, let's see if I can figure out how to put this freaking battery in. You can feel how much more heavier it is. It feels proper built. It feels very solid. Like the amount of money you've spent on it feels really good. It feels like, it feels very durable kind of thing, if that makes sense. But yeah, I've just noticed inside here where the battery compartment is, you have your low USB-C port to charge the GoPro up, which is right there at the bottom. But yeah, very nice, very nicely made as well. There we go. Flip it now. All right, how do you turn it on? There we go. Let's switch this bad boy on. Ooh, what's that mean? Are you on? Oh my, oh my days, it's on. Oh my god. Oh wow. That's beautiful, that's sick. It's got two screens. Obviously you got the one screen at the back. Oh, the one screen set it up. You got the one screen at the back, and you got the screen at the front as well, which is very nice. So when you're shooting, you can actually see what you're shooting, especially if you're vlogging with this thing. You can actually see by that little screen up there what you're vlogging. But let me quickly set this up, and then I'll get back to you guys, and then I'll show you guys a little bit. Right, so it's all set up. Oh my god, we're 15% battery life, so we have to charge it up. But yeah, it looks very nice. Ooh. Right now we're shooting 1080p, but we can obviously change that all the way up to 4K, which is very nice. So we can do that up to 4K. And now we're shooting 4K. That was really nice. Oh my god, this thing uses SD card as well. I don't even know if I've got an SD card or not. But yeah, obviously I can record myself and I can see what I'm filming as well. Okay, so you guys can probably see. Yeah, you can record and you can see yourself there as well when you're recording. But yeah, it looks really cool. Then obviously powering off, beautiful. Anyway guys, that's been the GoPro Hero 9 Black Edition. Such a long word, I don't know why they name it that, but it is what it is. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to smash that like button. Also hit the subscribe button, share the video, and comment down below and tell me if you guys have one of these and how good it is, because obviously I've just had it. I'm gonna use it and make a review on it as well. So yeah, tell me down there if it's any good, so I know what to expect. Anyway guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.